Hey guys, and welcome to our channel. Please subscribe our channel to give me energy to continue. So please subscribe. We have 15 minus 12 divided by 3 times 2. Okay? 15 minus 12 gives us 3. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. Now 1 times 2 gives us 2. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this expression in this way. First, parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. And as we know, multiplication and division are equally important. So according to this rule, we have one division here and one multiplication here that we have to solve these first. And as we know, multiplication and division are equally important. So we have to solve from left to right. Now, 12 divided by 3 gives us 4. Now we have 15 minus 4 times 2. So as we know, multiplication has higher priority than the subtraction. So we have to solve this multiplication first. So 4 times 2 gives us 8, and at the end we have 15 minus 8. That this expression is equals to 7. The final answer is 7. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel to give me energy to continue. Thank you.